All right, folks, let's dive into the sweet and charming history of Valentine's Day and those iconic candy hearts. So how did Valentine's Day start? Well, we got to roll back the clock to ancient Rome. Legend has it there was this guy named Saint Valentine. Yep, the OG of love. He was a priest who, against the emperor's orders, secretly married young couples. Busted and martyred around February 14th, he became a symbol of love and romance. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and people in England and France believed February 14th was the start of birds' mating season, adding to the idea that the day should be all about romance. Romantic, right? Now let's jump to the 19th century when Valentine's cards started to become all the rage. Exchanging these sweet notes became a tradition, and it wasn't long before candy joined the party. Enter candy hearts. But where did those little sweethearts come from? The story begins with the New England Confectionery Company, or Necco, in the 1860s. They started making conversation candies with cute little messages on them. By the early 1900s, these evolved into the candy hearts we know and love today. So what are they made of? The basic ingredients are sugar, corn syrup, and gelatin. But the real magic happens with the messages. From "Be mine" to "Text me," those tiny phrases have kept the tradition alive and kicking for generations. And there you have it, a sweet and brief history of Valentine's Day and candy hearts. Next time you enjoy one of those sugary treats, you'll know a bit more about their love-filled past. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts and tasty tidbits.